morning, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I have this vase here that I got from my local dollar store. And I am going to use some of this white nautical rope to go right around our vase. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue down the rope. If you're new here, I would like to say welcome. And I do hope you will consider pressing the subscribe button and pressing the bell too, so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies and goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing these two glam DIYs I have to share with you today. So I'm just going to continue going right around the bottom of our vase, all the way around with the rope. Next, I'll be using some of this Glam silver ribbon and placing it using some hot glue, going around our vase. And one more chance is all I need, babe. I just need you to understand just what I mean when I say I made a mistake. Our next added decor is going to be this silver glam sheet, which I cut into strips. And we're just going to place them going up and down on our vase in a design pattern. So I have one going up, and then we're going to place this one going this way to touch the other one. And then the next one going the other way. You see the pattern that I'm doing? And this sheet does come with self-adhesive on the back, but you know, you can use some E6000 or any kind of adhesive that you would like to use for some extra hold. Okay, we did our zigzag pattern, and now I'm going to do one strip going up the center of one of our patterns, just like this. And to the bottom of our decor, I'll be using some of these crystal knobs that I got from Amazon. And I'll just be using some hot glue and gluing them to the bottom of our vase. And here's our finished look. I love how the crystal legs look on our vase, and our nautical rope, and our bling items that I got from Beebeecraft to help decor our vase. I think it looks lovely. A lovely piece of decor for your home, or like I always say, a gift for a special someone. And here it is with some string lights inside. A nice added touch. Or you know, you can have a candle inside. Whichever you choose, they both will look lovely. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Now for DIY number 2, I have 2 of our vases, which I'm going to use some hot glue and glue them together. And you know, you can use something stronger if you like, E6000, any kind of adhesive that you would like to glue them together will be fine. Now we're going to use some more of our white nautical rope, and you can find this rope in the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to glue it going around our vases.
through a hurricane. Crazy. But when I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. You beside me. Beside me. Yeah. You beside me. Beside me. Yeah. You beside me.
Now I'm going to start going it around the other half of the vase. Now our rope is all added. I'll be using some of this pink and silver glam ribbon from Beebeecraft to help glam out our vase. And I'm just using some hot glue. And now we're doing the other half of the vase. And now I'll be coming in with a pink glam sheet, which I cut into strips again, and we'll be adding them to our decor. All these glam pieces are from Beebeecraft, and I will have a link for them down below in the description box so you guys can go over and check them out. And here is our finished look for DIY number 2. Nice, simple, and easy glam decor, accent piece, or a vase, or a candle holder. Oh, I think it looks lovely. And I love the rope with the bling. OMG, it looks so nice. And here's our decor with some flowers inside. I think it looks lovely this way also. For those of us that love having flowers throughout our home, I think it looks beautiful. And here is another look with some string lights in the bottom and a candle on the top. I think this is another lovely look. One vase, you could either use it as an accent piece, use it as a flower vase decor, or use it as a candle holder. One design with 3 looks. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY number 2. And I'd like to thank you guys for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.